If you're running a Shopify store, brand and Instagram templates can make your page look pro, and Canva makes it easy, even if you're not a designer. Start by picking a Canva template that fits your vibe. Search terms like e-commerce post or product promo. Once you pick one, customize it with your brand colors, fonts, and logo. Stick to one or two fonts max to keep it clean and use consistent colors to build a recognition. Next, swap in your product photos and add short, punchy text. Think things like just dropped, back in stock, or limited offer. Canva's grid and spacing tools help keep everything aligned, and you can even save your designs as a brand kit for future posts. Once your template's ready, you can duplicate it and quickly create a week's worth of posts. Consistency is what makes your brand stick, especially when you're competing in Shopify's charter space. If you want a free Canva template, pack to start with. Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify content. Until then, I'll definitely catch you in the next video.